Construction and Demolition Site Operations. Hello folks, welcome to today's lecture on construction and demolition sites are dynamic environments where safety and efficiency are paramount. Operating forklifts in these settings requires a deep understanding of machinery, safety protocols, and environmental awareness. This lecture will explore essential techniques for operating forklifts, focusing on safe navigation, maneuvering skills, and proper load handling and placement. Operating forklifts on construction and demolition sites. Forklifts are among the most versatile and commonly used pieces of equipment on construction sites. They are utilized for lifting and transporting materials quickly and safely. Key features of forklifts include adjustable forks, strong lifting capacity, and maneuverability. Understanding the types and capabilities of forklifts is crucial for effective operation. Types of forklifts. Counterbalance forklifts, most common, featuring a weight at the rear to balance out loads at the front. Reach trucks designed for indoor use, ideal for tight spaces. Telescopic handlers, equipped with an extendable arm for high reach and variable terrain. Safe navigation and maneuvering techniques. Proper navigation and maneuvering are critical for preventing accidents and ensuring smooth operations. Below are techniques operators should employ pre-operation checks. Before operating a forklift, it's essential to perform pre-operation checks. Inspect the forklift for visible damage or leaks. Check fluid levels, including oil, water, and hydraulic systems. Ensure that lights, horns, and brakes are functioning correctly.
Site navigation. Understanding the layout of the site is key to safe navigation. Familiarize yourself with all site entrances, exits, and traffic flows. Always follow designated pathways and observe site speed limits. Be aware of other workers, vehicles, and machinery operating nearby. Maneuvering techniques. Efficient maneuvering can be achieved by mastering the following. Use smooth steering motions without sharp turns. Operate the forklift at a controlled speed to maintain stability. Keep the load low to improve visibility and stability. Load handling and placement procedures on construction sites. Handling loads accurately and safely is vital to prevent accidents and ensure material integrity. The following procedures are recommended. Load assessment. Assess the load before lifting. Verify the weight and dimensions of the load are suitable for the forklift's capacity. Ensure the load is evenly distributed and secure. Correct lifting practices. Adhering to correct lifting practices minimizes risks. Align the forklift with the load, positioning the forks beneath it. Lift the load smoothly and gradually to avoid destabilizing the forklift. Maintain a clear view and adjust mirrors as needed to monitor the surroundings. Load placement and securing. Proper placement ensures stability and safety. Lower the load carefully, ensuring stability before releasing pressure from the hydraulics. Place loads on flat, stable surfaces to prevent tipping or rolling. Use chocks or restraints if necessary to secure the load. Safety protocols and best practices. Emphasizing safety is critical in all forklift operations. Consider the following best practices. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE), such as helmets, gloves, and reflective vests. Participate in comprehensive training and certification programs for forklift operation. Conduct regular maintenance checks and promptly address any mechanical issues. Report any safety hazards or incidents to supervisors immediately. In conclusion, operating forklifts on construction and demolition sites requires skillful handling and adherence to safety procedures. By following the guidelines outlined in this lecture, operators can help maintain a safe and efficient work environment. Remember, prioritizing safety not only protects individuals but also enhances productivity and project success. Ultimately, mastering forklift operations involves continuous learning and vigilance. Stay informed about the latest safety standards and technological advancements to ensure best practices in every facet of construction site operations. Here's a summary of construction and demolition site operations. Pre-operational checks. 1. Site induction. Ensure all personnel undergo site induction, including safety briefings and emergency procedures. 2. Risk assessment. Conduct thorough risk assessments to identify potential hazards and implement control measures. 3. Equipment inspection. Regularly inspect equipment and machinery to ensure they are in good working condition. Construction site operations. 1. Excavation and earthwork. Ensure safe excavation and earthwork practices, including proper shoring and sloping. 2. Material handling. Implement safe material handling practices, including proper lifting and storage techniques. 3. Scaffolding and access. Ensure safe scaffolding and access practices, including proper erection and maintenance. Demolition site operations. 1. Structural integrity. Assess the structural integrity of buildings before demolition, identifying potential hazards and implementing control measures. 2. Explosive demolition. Ensure safe explosive demolition practices, including proper planning, execution, and safety protocols. 3. Hand demolition. Implement safe hand demolition practices, including proper tool usage and safety protocols. Safety considerations. 1. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Ensure all personnel wear proper PPE, including hard hats, safety glasses, and high-visibility vests. 2. Emergency procedures. Establish and communicate emergency procedures, including evacuation routes and first aid protocols. 3. Regular safety inspections. Conduct regular safety inspections to identify potential hazards and implement control measures. Environmental considerations. 1. Waste management. Implement effective waste management practices, including proper disposal and recycling techniques. 2. Noise and dust control. Implement noise and dust control measures, including proper equipment usage and safety protocols. 3. Environmental protection. Establish and implement environmental protection measures, including proper storage and disposal of hazardous materials. This is how we come to the end of this lesson on construction and demolition site operations. Thank you for your engagement in this lesson, and remember that safety is always the priority when dealing with Stay informed, stay protected. See you in the next lecture, folks. Happy learning!